This course module covers the technical fundamentals of the multipoints and high-temperature sensor applications. After completing this module, you will be able to understand what a multipoint is and some applications, recall where high-temperature sensors are needed. A multipoint measurement allows monitoring more than one temperature point through a single vessel entry. Placing multiple entering points all the way up a vessel could disturb the structure of the containment. Furthermore, one single entering point has less impact on isolating the reactor, which saves time during installation and results in a faster start of operation. Instead of different process axes, only one insert is needed. Each measurement point has the same principle, and therefore small differences occur. Another reason why many process entries are avoided is because they give disturbances to moving parts inside of the containment. Some designs allow for the extraction and replacement of the temperature measuring elements whilst the plant is still operating. Guided tube thermocouple replaceable sensors provided with a thermowell allows to replace each individual sensor individually in the multipoint. Most multipoint applications have unique features which require unique solutions. No two multipoints are the same. The competencies in explosion-proof designs for different hazard areas, as well as testing and calibration competencies like X-ray or pressure testing. It assists during designing and provides drawings as well as material expertise. The manufacturing process not only takes care of the hazard environment, but also in material selection, in welding and assembly procedures. All multipoints are delivered in the way that they arrive safely and in customized packing, even overseas. Multipoint temperature measurement has always been seen as a special engineering solution. Due to the hazardous area environment, the design of this application required that all transmitters are placed in the connection box in ATEX XD design. The installation has been set up for a tropical environment. This multipoint is designed for a polymerization plant with a total length of up to 22.5 meters. The following items have been provided: detailed drawings, design for simple installation, test procedure, documentation, material certification, dedicated welding procedures, painting and corrosion protection, delivery in customer-specific wooden transport box. Another application was for Kuwait National Petroleum with 12 23-meter-long multipoint temperature measuring devices for the refurbishment of atmospheric residue desulfurizer reactors in the Mina Abdullah refinery in Kuwait. The multi-sensing elements make measurements along the length and width of the reactor, allowing very useful distributed temperature measurements to be derived from just one entry into the pressure vessel. With 3 measuring points each, plus duplex sensors for redundancy, the multipoints are made with full stainless steel sheaths for high corrosion resistance. Each thermocouple head incorporates type N protection of the sensor connections and non-sparking protection for hazardous zones where an explosive gas mixture is not expected but could occur. The application. A worldwide operating chemical company had a need for 24 multipoint measurement systems with local transmitters for mounting in several vessels in South Asia tropical environment. The system must be rated to ATEX XD. The vessels are catalytic reactors for the production of propylene glycol using a catalyst of ion exchange resin and sulfuric acid. The temperature inside the vessel is between 150 and 180 degrees centigrade. The product is used in the pharmaceuticals industry as a solvent for many injectable but water-insoluble medicines. Each multipoint measurement system requires 10 separate temperature measurements to be mounted in a 6 mm diameter protection tube. The solution. Using thermocouple sensors manufactured from 0.5 mm mineral insulated cable, the 10 thermometers are mounted inside a 6 mm stainless steel outer tube. The total multipoint assembly is 13.5 meters long, with additional flexible cable for connection to an explosion-proof box containing 10 head-mounting type transmitters. The box also contains connection blocks for the input and output cables. For a syngas synthesis gas plant in China, several multipoint temperature measurement devices have been ordered. The syngas plant processes hydrogen and carbon monoxide. The process, called gasification, converts organic or fossil-based materials into carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. At high temperatures, greater than 700 degrees Celsius, a reaction takes place with a controlled amount of oxygen and/or steam. Temperature multipoints, multiple RTDs, are often used in vessels or reactors. Only one vessel entry is needed. Layer measurement, temperature gradient, and average temperatures can be monitored. Let's summarize everything in a checklist before moving on to other topics. So, what have you learned so far? Multipoints are uniquely designed for each application,